Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that boost token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Boost is a cross-platform engagement token powering a suite of Web 2 and Web 3 tools designed to connect brands, creators, and communities through gamified campaigns, rewards, and loyalty mechanism. Boost positions itself as the connective tissues between Web 2's reach and Web 3's incentive structure, with its token acting as both engagement catalyst and value capture mechanism, while its multi-platform approach shows promise in bridging disparate users bases. Will its tokenomics sustain value as the ecosystem scales? Boost project institution rating is 3.3. Boost token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 158.86 million Boost token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.